This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
What if your Audi did not actually lose power, but only feel slower because of hidden problems you never noticed? Because this happens far more often than owners realize. The car still starts, still drives, still looks normal. No dramatic warning, no obvious failure. And yet, something feels different. Throttle response softer, acceleration less exciting, gear changes less eager, the car feels heavier, less alive. And most owners immediately assume one thing: my Audi is getting old. Maybe, but maybe not. Because performance decline is not always about age. Very often it is about hidden efficiency losses, small issues that slowly change how the car feels. And because the decline is gradual, drivers adapt. That's the dangerous part. Because when performance drops slowly, you stop noticing the change. Until one day you drive a healthier example of the same car and realize yours feels tired. Let's start with one of the biggest hidden causes: throttle adaptation. Modern Audis learn. They adapt to driving style, gentle commuting, traffic behavior, smooth inputs, predictable routines. And over time, the car may begin behaving in a calmer way. This is not failure, it's adaptation. But owners interpret the result as weakness. Now let's talk about transmission logic. A transmission that prioritizes economy can dramatically change how the car feels. Holding higher gears, delaying downshifts, reducing urgency, same horsepower, different sensation. Now think about this. Performance is emotional. If the car reacts slower, it feels slower, even when actual engine output is not dramatically different. Now let's talk about airflow. Engines need efficient breathing. Over time, systems age. Airflow efficiency changes, response changes, and owners chase expensive upgrades before restoring basic efficiency. Wrong order. Now let's discuss rolling resistance. This is massively ignored. Tire pressure, tire condition, alignment behavior, grip quality. All of this affects how fast the car feels. Not theoretical performance, real perceived performance. Before we continue, quick reminder: if you love Audi performance tricks, hidden features, and practical ownership upgrades without wasting money, subscribe now. It's free for you. But it helps the channel massively and allows me to keep bringing you real value. Now here's another hidden factor: weight, old cargo, unnecessary junk, tools, random items, years of accumulation. The car becomes its own storage unit, and that changes response. Now let's talk about battery behavior. Yes, battery. Because weak voltage can create strange system behavior that makes ownership feel less premium. Delayed electronics, odd responses, inconsistent behavior. A car that simply feels off. And many owners never connect the dots. Now here's the important truth. A slow-feeling Audi is not automatically a dying Audi. Sometimes it simply needs smarter ownership, smarter configuration, smarter habits, and smarter diagnosis. Because in part 2, we go deeper into how to bring back lost Audi performance feel without expensive modifications. Because your Audi may not need more power. It may just need to stop wasting what it already has. Now let's talk about how to bring that lost Audi performance feeling back. Because this is where most owners make the wrong move. They panic, assume major mechanical decline, start thinking about expensive upgrades. Or worse, they simply accept the slower feeling as normal aging. But that assumption is often wrong. Because performance feel is influenced by far more than engine power alone. Let's start with the most obvious test: drive mode comparison. If your Audi has drive select, this should be one of the first things you check. Many owners leave the car in one mode forever, months, sometimes years, never comparing how the car behaves differently. Comfort may feel softer. Auto adapts to mixed use. Dynamic often sharpens throttle and makes the car feel dramatically more awake. Same engine, same car, same day, different sensation. And that matters. Because if the car suddenly feels better in a different mode, the problem may not be engine weakness at all. It may be configuration. Now let's talk about driver adaptation again, because this is real. If you drive gently for long periods, your perception changes, your habits change, your expectations change. Then, when you finally drive the car harder or compare it to another Audi, yours suddenly feels dull. Sometimes the car changed. Sometimes you changed. Now let's discuss traction and confidence. A car that does not feel planted never feels fast, even if the engine is healthy. Why? Because confidence changes how you use the car. Poor tire condition, incorrect pressure, reduced grip, less precision. All of this makes acceleration feel weaker and steering feel less connected. That changes the entire ownership experience. Now let's talk about unnecessary weight, because owners underestimate this constantly. Extra cargo, old equipment, unused junk, random heavy items, everything adds resistance, and resistance steals responsiveness. Before we continue, quick reminder, if you love Audi performance tricks, hidden features, and practical ownership upgrades without expensive workshop bills, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps the channel massively and allows me to keep bringing you real value. Now here's something many owners ignore. Electronic smoothness. Modern Audis are technology ecosystems. And when electronic systems feel sluggish, the entire car feels less premium. Slower infotainment, odd delays, inconsistent comfort responses. Even if engine performance is fine, ownership satisfaction drops. This is why battery health matters more than people think. Stable voltage helps premium systems behave properly. Now let's talk about efficiency restoration. This is where smart owners think differently. They do not ask, how do I add power? They ask, what power am I already losing? That question changes everything, because restoring lost efficiency can transform the car dramatically. Better response, cleaner feel, sharper reaction, same engine, better experience. Now let's talk about psychology, because yes, this matters. Drivers love dramatic upgrades, big horsepower numbers, aggressive modifications. But real-world satisfaction often comes from smaller improvements. That's the secret. Not fantasy performance, usable performance. Now imagine two Audi owners, same car, same engine, same mileage. One assumes aging equals decline, the other restores condition. Completely different experience. Now here's the bigger truth. Audi performance is not only mechanical, it is emotional. Responsiveness, confidence, precision, smoothness, urgency. And when those elements improve, the car feels transformed. Before we finish, remember this. If you want more Audi performance tricks, hidden settings, and practical upgrades, subscribe now. Because sometimes, your Audi is not slow, it's simply not being allowed to feel its best.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.